Hi, I'm Chris, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to make a sump pump for a boat with some spare parts I got laying around. It is going to be not a Holly, no, that's just a bracket, and the pump Tahoe. So we didn't need that anymore. So what we got to do, positive and negative. Sorry, make a light. Positive and negative, 2 wire, positive and negative. And over here we got 6-volt, 12-volt, 3 12-volts, and 5 gallons of water. Yes, it's 5 gallons of H2O water. All right. Okay, this thing is 1 minute long. We're going to show you the test.